All right, I wanted to start this one inside because it's really hot outside, but I am at the Manor floor plan by Cope Homes. And I'll tell you a little bit about where we are here later, but this is a 4-bed, 4-car garage, 3.5 bath home, and every space is a lot of space, except one spot. It's decent, don't get me wrong. Everything here is fantastic. This is a custom builder. This is definitely luxury. But from what I've seen, this is my only gripe. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. This is gonna be the office. Now, if you're fine with just a wall of shelving there, you know, big windows, you know, double doors that close, a closet over here, that's fine. But I kind of want giant ceiling. So if that's you, that's another floor plan, but they can do that too. This is custom. But let's get on with the rest of the video because that was my only complaint. Just, I wanted the fan to be higher. I know, but these are the little things, you know? Everything else though, huge. So this is your entryway. It's nice and wide. You get the whole view of the staircase, high ceilings, tons to look at right here. Now you're wondering, what's this cutout right here? Why is there a hole in the wall? If you have a party going, this is your bar. You got a bar right by the front door. You can serve snacks too. It doesn't have to be, you know, like alcohol if that's not your thing. I understand. But just that's right there, so cool. On to the rest of the house. The theme here is gonna be space. With over 5,000 square foot as a 4-bed, space is everywhere. With the double islands, you even got storage over here. Tons of storage in the cabinets. More storage, oversized fridge, and I know you saw back there. Is this your laundry room? Nope. Just kind of a mud area with a lot more storage. So if you are a party person or just have a lot of stuff, you know, that you can put in the cabinets, this is a good spot. But there's so many other spots. So not a whole lot going on back in this corner. This is just gonna be your pool bath. So kind of your half bath downstairs, but also with an exit outside. So that's nice to have. So all the rest of the home is gonna be behind me. Here you got a little bit of storage. So what's that, 3rd pantry? I don't know. So much room. So much natural light. And before we get on to the rest of the house, I'm gonna show you the 4-car garage. But when we get upstairs, there is like a secret room that I think is meant to be like a secondary master, and it is in the coolest spot. All right, there we go. You're like, that's not 4-car, that's just 2. Okay, hold on. There's the other 2. Like, can you get a sense of how big this space is? You can be working on your cars and playing ping pong way over there. That's nice. Even if you just have 3 cars, 4-car garage, definitely worth it. All right, so we've done everything downstairs except for the master, which I'm gonna go in a very certain order. So let's see what's over this way. First of all, you have a closet in this hallway. Oh, hold on. Did I even show you the fireplace all the way up? Or the giant sliding glass doors? Or the high ceilings? I'm telling you, the theme of this house is space everywhere. Every room has a ton of space. If you don't know me, very claustrophobic. Love that. All right, back to here. We got some understair storage. Goes pretty far back there. Is that Harry Potter closet? I don't know. Don't look at that. We're getting there. Now, you can kind of see right there, but I'm gonna pause you for a second. When I first saw this, I was like, who really needs that? Then I thought of how my wife and I like to have time just to ourselves to just relax. And this is kind of a cool spot. They have it set up as like a living room in the master bedroom. Let me know what you think. So you walk through the doors. Your master has huge high ceilings. Like that's a king size bed. And then there's your other living room. You don't have to set it up to where you're on the couch just looking at nothing. You can put the couch here, TV there. Pretty good spot for video games or people who watch stuff when the kids go to sleep, like I do. Back this way is your master bath. Huge, everything. See, look, wide space. And of course, you got the tiling all the way, the double shower heads. Love that. And I'm sure you thought the closet was going to be big, right? Did I mention this is on 1.36 acres? No HOA? Okay, just wanted to make sure if you got this far that you didn't forget that. All right, what else is in the bathroom? Oh, this little door. What's that? There's your laundry. So, you got bathroom, giant closet, giant laundry. And if your laundry needs a closet, you got that too. All right. Now upstairs. Again, everyone's got space. There's 4 bedrooms just upstairs. Like, this house is crazy. And I might have counted wrong, because that's 5 beds. Whatever. You know, I can do math. But just look how expansive that is. Like, can y'all tell? This is not just a small couch, big couch. Looking at some artwork. I don't know. So that's fun. Now before we get back behind me, I'll show you these 2 rooms over here. Oh, there's another plant shelf. I don't know. Let's go this way. Boat room first. Boat dog room. Of course, nobody has small closets. But that might be the smallest one there. But check out this bathroom. You think these 2 kids can share this bathroom? That's a lot of space. And this one is kind of the mirror to that one. A little bit bigger of a closet. All right, the moment you've all waited for is after this. Again, this is kind of a good party house too. Look, you got so much cabinet space here. You got a fridge, sink. This bathroom could be for the bedroom, could be for people just hanging out. Because this guy has his own separate bathroom, giant closet. So maybe we'll call this favorite kid. But really the next room, sorry, I realize I'm just talking out into the air. Really, this next room back behind this door, that's either for the favorite kid or the second family that lives here. It's huge. But what do you guys think of this tiny little media room? Obviously joking. Had to turn the lights on in the chairs. That's pretty cool. Let me go all the way to the top. Is that enough space for you? That's crazy. Like, I could get tired just walking around? I don't know. No, I'm not that out of shape. But this is kind of the hidden room. The only way you get to this room is through the media room. It doesn't have to be a bedroom. It can be a game room, whatever you want it to be. Maybe not a media room because that's a lot of windows to black out, but it's also a very nice bedroom with a decent sized closet and a decent sized bathroom. All right, let's go back to the kitchen. I'll tell you about where we are, what this neighborhood is like, and oh yeah, pricing. All right, so who's the builder of this fantastic home? That's gonna be Cope Homes. They have communities all around this area, a little bit northwest as well. Where are we? This is Nevada, Texas. We are right next to the new high school that they're making even more new as we speak with the construction. Where is Nevada? Again, it's Nevada, not Nevada, not Nevada, Nevada. I grew up here. That's how you say it. We are just outside of Lavon, next to Josephine and Farmersville. So you can expect close to lake life, definitely some farm life. Everyone here loves the peace and quiet. We'll keep the peace and quiet. This is a fairly small neighborhood. Everyone here has at least an acre. There's no HOA, no mud, no PID. Now let's talk pricing. This one specifically right now is listed at 1.438, 625. You got all those numbers. So just a little over 1.4 million, but they have a home here starting at 665. Now it is one of the only homes that they have fully built anywhere around under that 7-figure mark. But if you are looking a little bit lower, still looking for the nice quiet area, just kind of away from the hustle and bustle, but not too far. They do have another community coming up really just down the road from where we are here. That's gonna be Bear Creek. They have 86 lots. And I think they've only started on 3 homes. Maybe I'll show you here on the drone. Yeah, the base price starting out there is gonna be $599. So a little bit lower. They are gonna have some smaller than an acre over there. So if you don't need to mow that whole yard, if that's not you, which I understand, you can still have the same quality custom builder with fantastic, well thought out floor plans. Like you saw this one. Everywhere had enough space, in my opinion, except for that office, needs a little higher. Now, a quick side note before I end out this video. If you liked all the furniture here, that's included. The giant couches, the table, the light up recliner chairs in the media room, that's all included in that price. Now, I know this isn't for everyone. Obviously, we're past 7 figures. Most people aren't gonna be there. If you are looking for no mud, no PID, I can help you out. If you are looking for a little bit larger lot, I can help you out. My team and I, we do new construction day in and day out, helping people upgrade and relocate to this area. We have relationships with builders all over DFW. We'd love to connect you with the right builder in the right community that's gonna match your lifestyle, your budget needs and preferences. As always, we don't know you need help until you reach out. My number's here below, or you can click the link in the description. That connects us one-on-one just so I get to know what your specific needs are. We can put together a game plan. As always, thank you for watching.